Hello everyone, let us solve this problem quickly. We are to show that square root of 85 over 21 times square root of 63 over 136 is equal to 1 over 4 root 30. Let us go into this quickly. Solution. Now in this case, we are going to be working with the left hand side to see if it will give us 1 over 4 root 30. On the left hand side, we are having square root of 85 over 21, then multiply by square root of 63 over 136. Now I want us to break this down. Let's get started. 85 here is the same thing as 5 multiplied by 17. Okay. Then 21 is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 7. Then multiply by 63 is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 7. Then over 136 is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 17. Okay, so from here I want us to split these two these two expression. Let's have something like this: 5 times 17 over root 3 times root 3 times 7, all in the same root. Then multiply by, here we have this 9 times 7, then over root 8 times 17. And then from here as well, I can decide to break it out again to something like this. We have root 5 multiplied by root 17. Then over here we have root 3 multiplied by root 7. Then multiply by root 9 is 3. Then multiply by root 7. Over here we have root 4 multiplied by root 17. So that from here we can now cancel out some things. We can say that root 7 can cancel root 7. Root 17 will cancel root 17. And then what do we have now? We have 3 times root 5. That will give us 3 root 5. Then over here now we are having 3 times root 4. Sorry, it's actually root 8 here because of this. So we are having root 3 multiplied by root 8. But remember that this root 8 can be broken down. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 root 5 over root 3 times root 8 is the same thing as 2 root 2. Okay, root 8 is the same thing as 2 root 2, because, let me break it down here, because root 8 is the same thing as root 4 times 2. And the square root of 4 is 2, then multiply by this root 2. That is how we show that root 8 is the same thing as 2 root 2. Now, from here we can just multiply. 3 root 5 will still appear as the numerator. Then over here we can multiply root 3 by root 2. So we are going to have 2 root 6. 2 root 6. This is what we have. And then from here, what we are going to do now is to rationalize. And for us to rationalize, we have to multiply. We have to multiply everything by root 6. Multiply this by root 6, then this again by root 6. So that from here, we can now say 3 root 5 times root 6 will give us 3 root 30. Okay, you multiply root 30 by root 5 by root 6 to give us root 30, and this 3 will still appear. Then this is over here, 2 will appear first, and then root 6 times root 6 will give us 12. Will give us 6 actually. It will give us 6, so that from here we can now multiply the denominator. We have 3 root 30, then over 2 times 6 is 12. Very correct. So we have 12. Now from here, 3 can go here 1 time, 3 can go here 4 times. So meaning that we are having 1 over 4 root 30. And this is what we have to prove in the question. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 over 4 root 30. And then at the end of the day, we are having 1 over 4 root 30. So this has been proven. Thank you for watching.